Assalamu alaikum dear students. Yesterday we studied the reversible and irreversible reaction of class 10 chapter number 9 chemical equilibrium. Now today we take another example of reversible reactions. So the reversible reaction takes place in a closed system. We take the example of when calcium, second example ले रहे हैं reversible reaction के हवाले से. When calcium oxide combined or react with carbon dioxide, they were changed into calcium carbonate. And again, when calcium carbonate are heated, it will decompose to give calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now this reaction takes place in a closed flask, closed vessels. Calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate is heated in a closed flask, it will change into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. If we not close the flask, so carbon dioxide escapes. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है वो गैस बाहर चली जाएगी. Only the calcium oxide remains. So this reaction not takes place. So we say that the reversible reactions takes place in a closed flask. So this is the example of reversible reaction. Now we take some definitions. Chemical equilibrium. केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम की डिफाइन डेफिनेशन जो है व्हेन द रेट ऑफ फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शंस when the rate of forward reaction when the rate of forward reactions takes place at the rate of reverse reaction. When the rate of forward reactions takes place at the rate of reverse reactions, and composition of reaction mixture remains constant are called chemical equilibrium. Reaction mixture means both reactant and products, उनके concentration जो है equilibrium पर जो है वो maintain रहेगी. So when the rate of forward reactions takes place at the rate of reverse reaction, but the composition of reaction mixture remains constant. Now two types of chemical equilibrium: static equilibrium. Static. When reaction ceases to proceed is called static equilibrium. When reaction ceases to proceed, जब रिएक्शन होना बंद हो जाए और इक्विलिब्रियम में एग्जिस्ट करता हो तो उसको हम कहते हैं when reaction ceases to proceed, static equilibrium. For example, a building remains standing rather than falling because all the forces acting upon it are balanced. So we take the example of building. Building remains standing because all the forces acting upon it are balanced. Now dynamic equilibrium. When reaction does not stop, dynamic, continue, dynamic equilibrium. when reaction does not stop, when reaction does not stop, only the rate of forward reaction becomes equal to the rate of reverse reaction but takes place in opposite direction. Only the rate of forward reaction, rate of forward को RF लिख रहे हैं, rate of forward reaction becomes equal to rate of reverse reaction but takes place in opposite direction, but takes place in opposite direction. ये थी हमारे पास डेफिनेशन डायनेमिक इक्विलिब्रियम की। ऐसा रिएक्शन जो स्टॉप नहीं होता बल्कि कंटिन्यू रहता है, जिसमें रेट ऑफ फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन जो है रिवर्स रिएक्शन के इक्वल होता है बट टेक्स प्लेस इन अपोजिट डायरेक्शन। सो वी कैन एक्सप्लेन द डायनेमिक इक्विलिब्रियम ग्राफिकली। रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन respect to time. Now the concentration of reactant, suppose the reactant are in higher concentration and products are negligible. At initial stage the rate of forward reaction is very fast and rate of reverse reaction is very slow, but with the passage of time the rate of forward reaction becomes slow and rate of forward reactions becomes fast. A stage will come when the rate of forward and reverse reaction becomes equals. So this is known as dynamic equilibrium. So dynamic equilibrium is established before the completion of reaction. Dynamic equilibrium is established before completion of reaction. Dynamic equilibrium is established before completion of reaction because at initial stage the rate of forward reaction is very fast and the rate of reverse reaction is very slow. But with the passage of time the concentration of reactant decreases and the concentration of product increases. A stage will reaches when both rate attains the equilibrium state. So now we take the example of hydrogen and iodine. Both are reactants. You know iodine is purple in color, react to produce hydrogen iodide which is a colorless. So if we again heat, the hydrogen iodide decomposes to give hydrogen and iodine again. So the first forward reaction and the second one is a reverse reaction. So these reactions are represented by double arrow, hydrogen plus iodine 2H. तो आपने इस रिएक्शन में देखा कि हाइड्रोजन और आयोडीन जो है वो रिएक्ट करके हाइड्रोजन आयोडाइड में चेंज होते हैं और फिर हाइड्रोजन आयोडाइड जो है डिकम्पोज होकर H2 में और I2 में चेंज होता है, जिसको हम रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं एज ए रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शंस। तो बच्चों आपने देखा कि इन द अर्ली स्टेज कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट इज हायर, सो द रेट ऑफ फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन इज वेरी फास्ट, बट विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट डिक्रीजेस and the concentration of product increases. So when the concentration of product increases, so the rate of reverse reaction also increases. So a stage reaches when both reaction attain the same rate. At this stage the dynamic equilibrium is established. तो स्टूडेंट्स हमने डायनामिक इक्विलिब्रियम को ग्राफिकली एक्सप्लेन किया है। ये लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन भी है और ये जो डेफिनेशंस हैं केमिकल इक्विलिब्रियम की और स्टैटिक और डायनेमिक, ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन भी है। और इसमें ये जो क्वेश्चन है हाउ डायनेमिक इक्विलिब्रियम इज एस्टेब्लिश्ड, तो इसमें भी ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाता है हाउ डायनेमिक इक्विलिब्रियम इज एस्टेब्लिश्ड। तो इसमें आपने जो बताना है, जो अभी मैंने आपसे शेयर की हैं बातें, कि डायनेमिक इक्विलिब्रियम एस्टेब्लिश्ड बिफोर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ रिएक्शन, because at the initial stage the rate of forward reaction is very fast and the rate of reverse reaction is very slow. So a stage reaches when both reaction attain the same rate. So this is the dynamic equilibrium which is graphically. So आज का हमारा दूसरा लेक्चर कंप्लीट हुआ। इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर नंबर 3 में इन नेक्स्ट डे आपसे मुलाकात होगी। तो मेरी तरफ से अल्लाह हाफिज़।